Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat sport code ss18 as you put your username and password on your Snapchat login page and you see this kind of error due to repeated failed attempts or Snapchat sport code ss18. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on close this page and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to first of all try to change your password by using forgot password, and after that you have to try to log in into your Snapchat account. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat sport on your browser, which may be Safari or Chrome. So you have to simply open the Snapchat sport. So here you have to simply click on I can't access my account, and after that you will find many of the option is available in, and there is written I see an error message when login. So here you have to simply click on here and you will find all the details related to your error. So if you are having repeated failed attempts or any of the ss18, ss06 or ss07, then here is written ss06 or ss18. Error code ss18 and ss06 both mean Snapchat has banned the device you are using due to abuse or repeated violation of community guidelines. So which means if you are having an error ss18 and ss06, which means your device is banned, so you have to simply log in your device into any your account into any of the devices. And if you want to use your Snapchat, then you have to simply log in your Snapchat account in any of the any other device, so that you can simply enjoy the Snapchat. Moreover, you can also remove that account and simply log in with the new account, so that if you want to use the Snapchat. Otherwise, if your device has been banned, Snapchat sport cannot unban you. So if you want to get your data, you have to simply go to your PC, and after that you have to look for account snapchat.com, click my data, and after that if you want to include your data download, you can simply also add the data range of your data, and after that you can simply see your download data on your email. So in this way you can simply find your data. Otherwise, if you are having this problem,